अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम वर्बल इंटेलिजेंस के एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक ब्लड रिलेशंस के एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। ये टॉपिक कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स जैसे कि ISSB, FPSC, PPSC, CSS जैसे एग्जाम्स का एक अहम हिस्सा है, जहाँ इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस अक्सर पूछे जाते हैं। तो अगर आप किसी भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए। हर एमसीक्यू की रीजनिंग को मैंने ब्रीफली मेंशन किया है ताकि आपको कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाए। चलिए बिना वक्त ज़ाया किए एमसीक्यू शुरू करते हैं। पॉइंटिंग टू अ मैन ऑन द स्टेज, रीटा सेड, ही इज़ द ब्रदर ऑफ द डॉटर ऑफ द वाइफ ऑफ माई हस्बैंड। हाउ इज़ द मैन ऑन द स्टेज रिलेटेड टू रीटा? Son. The wife of my husband is equal to Rita herself. The daughter of the wife of my husband is equal to Rita's daughter. So the brother of that daughter is equal to Rita's son. So the right answer is son. Pointing to a man, a woman said, his mother is the only daughter of my mother. How is the woman related to the man? The right answer is mother. How? She is his mother because the only daughter of my mother means the woman herself, so she is his mother. Showing the man receiving the prize, Saroj said, he is the brother of my uncle's daughter. Who is the man to Saroj? The right answer is cousin. My uncle's daughter is equal to Saroj's cousin. The brother of that daughter is equal to another child of the same uncle, which is equal to Saroj's cousin. So the right answer is cousin. Pointing to a photograph, Ahmed said, she is the daughter of my grandfather's only son. How is Ahmed related to the girl in the photograph? The right answer is brother. My grandfather's only son is equal to Ahmed's father. The daughter of that son is equal to Ahmed's sister. So the right answer is brother. A woman introduces a man as the son of the brother of her mother. How is the man related to the woman? The right answer is cousin. Brother of her mother is equal to her maternal uncle, and son of that uncle is equal to her male cousin. So the man is the cousin of the woman. A man said to a lady, your mother's husband's sister is my aunt. How is the lady related to the man? The right answer is sister. Your mother's husband is equal to your father. His sister is equal to your father's sister, your aunt. That same woman is also the man's aunt, so they share the same parent, hence they are brother and sister. Pointing to a girl in the photograph, Amar said, her mother's brother is the only son of my mother's father. How is the girl's mother related to Amar? The right answer is aunt. My mother's father is equal to Amar's grandfather. His only son is equal to Amar's maternal uncle. That man is equal to the girl's mother's brother. So the girl's mother is a sister of Amar's maternal uncle. That is Amar's aunt. A girl introduced a boy as the son of the daughter of the father of her uncle. The boy is girl's brother. He is her brother or cousin if the daughter refers to her aunt. The father of her uncle is equal to her grandfather. The daughter of that grandfather is equal to her mother or an aunt. The son of that daughter is equal to her brother or cousin. If X is the brother of the son of Y's son, how is X related to Y? The right answer is grandson. X is Y's grandson. The son of Y's son is equal to Y's grandson. The brother of that son is equal to another grandson of Y. So X is Y's grandson. Introducing a man to her husband, a woman said, "His brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. How is the woman related to this man?" The right answer is sister. She is his sister. His brother father is equal to the man's father. The only son of my grandfather is equal to the woman's father. Since they are the same person, the man and woman share a father, so they are brother and sister. Pointing out to a lady, a girl said, "She is the daughter-in-law of the grandmother of my father's only son. How is the lady related to the girl?" The right answer is mother. She is her mother because my father's only son means the girl's brother. The grandmother of that son is the girl's paternal grandmother. Daughter-in-law of that grandmother is equal to the wife of her son, which is equal to the girl's mother. Rita told Mani, "The girl I met yesterday at the beach was the youngest daughter of the brother-in-law of my friend's mother. How is the girl related to Rita's friend?" The right answer is cousin. Daughter of brother-in-law is equal to niece, and mother's niece is equal to cousin. So the girl is the cousin of Rita's friend. If Kamal says, "Ravi's mother is the only daughter of my mother," how is Kamal related to Ravi? The right answer is maternal uncle. Kamal is Ravi's maternal uncle. The only daughter of my mother is equal to Kamal's sister, and Ravi's mother is equal to that sister. Therefore, Kamal is Ravi's mother brother, that is the maternal uncle. Arun said, "This girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother." Who is Arun to the girl? The right answer is father-in-law. He is her father-in-law because the grandson of my mother is equal to Arun's son, a male grandchild of his mother. She is the wife of that grandson is equal to she is Arun's daughter-in-law. So Arun is her father-in-law. Introducing a man, a woman said, "His wife is the only daughter of my father." How is that man related to the woman? The right answer is husband. He is her husband because the only daughter of my father is equal to the woman herself. His wife is that woman. The man is her husband.